Just children. That's what we are. We want to play, to go out, to be with friends, to be with you. The world is complicated sometimes, I understand, but I didn't make it that way. I need you by my side to walk through it. Don't let it be a screen that guides me. Its colors and sounds are attractive, but it doesn't have your warmth nor your love.
I want to play with other children, same or different. Let us play together, loud, discuss and fight together. Let us solve it with hugs and forgiveness. Let me discover friendship, love.
I can do many things. Let me discover my abilities. Let me be the best version of myself.
We need to make mistakes, talk more than we should, ask questions, look for answers, for you to give us answers. Everything is new for us. We want to live, to feel, to touch the world. We have to fall, and sometimes hurt ourselves.
Do not let me always decide. I'm not prepared. You decide. You are my example. Although I complain and protest, I will always follow your steps. Make sure they are correct, because even if not, I will follow them anyway.
We are children, just children. We know that we have to work and learn. We are ready for it, but please let me do it on my own pace. Let me also play. You play with me. Teach me to play. Teach me to live. Because I am a child. Just that.